It is so easy to win in a world where like most people quit online business or SMMA or whatever in 3 months. Like you have to understand, you've probably watched a couple videos by this point. You're watching stuff like should I start an SMMA? What's the best business model to start? Honestly, you don't even need to start an SMMA. Just anything that's really online business oriented is so much easier than it seems because everyone's first thought when starting an online business is like, okay, this thing's saturated. Like you watch a video, it's like starting this new thing, this new whatever, this new agency, this new ecom, this new whatever thing. You look at the view count, it's like 300,000 views. You're like, all right, bro, 300,000 people watch this thing. It's oversaturated. Like, that's only one video. There's like 100 more videos with like millions of views. Ain't no reason to start it. But then you cut that off by like 90% because 90% of people just watch videos and think they're productive. And then you go to like, you cut another 5% off because, they start, but then they get demotivated, so they don't continue. And then you get to like the last 5%, which, really start one. And now they've been doing it for a couple months. But 90% of the people in this 5% quit within the first 3 months because they expect instant success. And like the first months are gonna be hard anyway, like especially if you don't have skills that you're going to build with your online business. That's why a lot of people quit. They don't have skills and they start going into something and they're motivated for maybe a couple weeks, maybe a couple months. Maybe some people last that long just with motivation. But the thing is, then they don't have skills and they can't get anywhere and then they quit. And a lot of people quit because, after 3 months, they're like, oh, bro, it's been 3 months and I have like no clients, or I have one client and it's on a bad commission, or I'm getting paid a little and it's not what I was sold when I was looking into starting all these things. It's like, bro, it's just online business. Like, just get used to it, man. You're gonna get used to it real quick. Now, obviously, the reason why I'm saying this is because most people go into it uninformed or they don't have skills. Because if you do have skills and you are informed or you have a network of people to help you, then business is gonna be much easier. Even if you've never had any prior experience with this, if you have someone to like guide you, for instance, right, you're going to be able to see results within the first week because that person knows what they're doing. But the main thing that I really wanted to say with this video is the fact that, the ones who keep going are the winners. The winners that you see are the people who haven't got clients in maybe even 6 months, but they kept going because in those 6 months, they built skills, they were refining their strategies, they're getting better and better at the game, and so they keep going. And so if you think about it, like the ones who stick to it win by default because everyone else gives up. So, you could be saying that, oh, I've been doing this thing for a couple weeks now, and, I got no's, and I don't know how to go on about it. It's like, no, you're not failing, bro. Like you have to eliminate the concept of failing in business. There's no such thing as failing in business because every single time you fail, you realize, okay, this approach wasn't good or this offer wasn't good. So really what you're doing is you're just learning. And so you're just learning, but you just have this idea that if you don't make $1 million in 3 months, that you're a failure. And that's one of the reasons why I don't watch social media at all. I think social media screws your brain up. And I personally would advise you to also like hop off all of the things that raise your like expectations by 1,000, because it's not what like the expectations that people portray on you or that portray on social media aren't realistic at all. And also, like, I probably have another video by now. I don't know if by now or later, but, I have a video of explaining why you have nothing to lose if you're young. And so, especially if you're young, like, the only way you quit, right? If you've been thinking, like, oh, I'm a failure, or I don't know how to make all this work, it's like, no. The only thing that really says that your business was a failure is when you quit. When you quit in business, that is when you fail. Everything until that point is you learning or you reiterating or you getting better at the process. And so here's a little sauce, I guess. But if you can just survive the no clients phase, which by the way I do have a video on, you are guaranteed to eventually make money. Since business isn't a lottery, like you're not playing the lottery, you're not going every single day and you're like, oh, maybe I'll get lucky today. You could go with that mindset. Sometimes it does turn out to be true, but most of the time it's just a test of patience and consistency. And so truthfully, like every single business model works. The real question is just like, will you keep working? It's like most people quit in 3 months. 99% of the competition that you think you have in your mind is gone. It's out the window. They quit. I actually did research on over 100 SMMAs at one point. I made a huge list. I scattered it. I used Meta Ads Library to like look at SMMAs who did ads and whatever. And I made a whole list of like 100 SMMAs. The craziest part is I still have that list to this day. And I'm not even joking. 1 in like 2 of those businesses aren't either they're the exact same or their domain doesn't work anymore. And they're the exact same and they don't have any more posts and whatever. So basically they're either dead or they're just refining their strategies, which is, I guess, a good thing. And the other people who quit, they can't even last their domain. And also just a lot of people get their domains for like 1 year or something. And so maybe that's why they still have their domain up. So whenever I look at a website and it's like the exact same and I look at their social medias and it's the exact same and I can't see any more activity besides a certain date, like in 90% of cases that those people just left. And so I guess here's your little motivation video where I'm telling you that it is easier than it actually seems. It's harder than it seems because everyone tells you that you can hit 10K per month with no prior experience in a week, which is possible, but you need to get a little bit lucky for that if you have no one to help you or whatever. But it's also easier than it seems because 98% of people just quit after a couple months. So if you just stick to it for 1 year, like I promise you, you're young, you have nothing to lose. You stick to it for 1 year. Worst case scenario, the absolute worst case scenario, you build skills that you will later be able to get paid for anyway. And so I hope you got something from this. I hope you got a new perspective on whatever you were thinking. And if you liked it, watch another.